Okay, so I'm out there driving the other day, people. Good morning, Sergio. Where would you like to go? Okay, DK and everybody that's watching this, please focus your eyes on 6 screenshots that I took and then just kind of put it together. This is LA, people. Do you see those little dots on the goddamn map? That's like a square mile. That's us. That's drivers right there on top of each other, literally, like, I'm not going to say the word, a colony. Okay, there you go. There you go. If we're not oversaturated, this is one little square mile. Look at this. Drivers on top of each other. And that's why your utilization.
You know what it reminds me of? Did you see that video with the delivery robots that they were showing that they were all like congested together?
Yeah, they got all stuck.
That's what it reminds me of. It looks like all the little robots that are sitting together right now.
Yeah, this is LA, people. This is LA, one of the largest Uber markets. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this. This is embarrassing. Okay. And of course, when that happens, when everybody is on top of each other looking for a slice of crumbs or bread, crumbs, literally crumbs now. Look what Uber Map looks like. By the way, they changed this shit again to me. Look, one morning I woke up, I saw this, all gray clouds all over covering LA as opposed to surge. I'm going like, couldn't you guys pick a better goddamn color? It's depressing already. Look at this color, Chris. I mean, does this make you appetizing to get on the road? Look at this. No. But they put the dollar signs. They put all those dollar signs. They go like, oh, it's busy here. Go here. Go here. Make the dollars.
You know what they should do? If they want to do it smart, they would make that green. Just the dollar signs. They would make green, so it's like, look there. But
no surge. There's no surge in LA. They kill the surge, bro. Because when you have these many drivers out, they don't need to put the surge on because their density. Look at this fucking density. Every street corner has. By the way, this is only Uber. I guarantee you, if I took Lyft at the same time simultaneously, that would be 8 more on top of this 8.
Oh yeah. There would be a couple that would double up the same, but yeah, that's a lot.
No, bro.
That's way too many around. See, this is the other thing. This is the other thing. The question is, how many of those drivers on those 6 screenshots are driving with somebody in the car? This is why you should probably hit stop new requests coming in. And then that screenshot right there that just shows your dead blue and grays would maybe light up a little bit and provide some surge for you.
Yeah. Just saying. I'm telling you, it's bad out there. I mean, LA is a top market. It's bad out there. It's as bad as I've seen it. So when DK says, we need more earners, bro, we don't need more earners for the existing earners to earn more. Okay? We need less earners for the existing earners to earn more. How about that? There you go. I think I said that correctly.
I get your point. I don't know if you said that right, but I was following along, and I'm sure everybody else was too. But yeah, the whole thing is it's something where usually around the holidays it's actually pretty good when it comes to driving and getting out there and making some extra money.
Bro, it was horrible.
This year is going to be a different year, and I want to chalk it up a lot to just the economy itself, inflation, layoffs. A lot of people 100%. Are looking for extra money. A lot of people are hurting. A lot of people are just trying to break even, put food on the table. They're coming into the gig economy because, let's be real, Uber and Lyft back from about 2015 to about 2018, almost 2019, did a hell of a job at marketing to drivers to come on the platform, which in turn made people think, hey, I'm not really going to, I don't want to drive right now. But today, fast forward a couple of years after all that marketing, they still have it in their head saying, RideShare might be a really great opportunity. I'm hurting right here. I got some time off.
It's easy, couple $100.
But in actuality, all the drivers that are already out on the road, it could be a very tough winter. So just be careful out there with everything when it comes to it. Try to implement some of the things. Again, don't accept garbage trips, decline it. Okay. And stop new requests from coming in when you have some butt in the car.
Okay, can I answer this question? Because if a driver is going to ride, their car doesn't show. Their car does show, sir. Their car.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.